guys! For this video, we will draw and color the character Stitch.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Stitch is a popular character from Disney's Lilo Stitch, an animated film that came out in 2002. Stitch, also known as Experiment 626, is an alien creature created by the evil genius Drive Jumba Yukiba. He's incredibly strong, nearly indestructible, and has a mischievous personality. After escaping from an intergalactic prison, Stitch crashes on Earth and is adopted by a little girl named Lilo in Hawaii. The story centers around their bond with themes of family, belonging, and the Hawaiian concept of ohana, meaning family. Stitch's journey from a destructive force to a loving member of Lilo's family is at the heart of the story. He's beloved for his chaotic antics, unique voice, and ultimately warm heart.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Please like and subscribe for more videos.